Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 277. If we start with this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. So we've got a 1 covering this box and a 1 covering this box, so our 1 must be here. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 9. No help here, 3, 8, 9. 9 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 5. Actually, we've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so this must be our 4. 1 here, so 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 3. And we can get rid of this 3. For this row now, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 covering both of these boxes, so our 4 must be here. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing a 9. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.